that part of it has been was covered. But we intend to take it up with the government over here, so that we prevent future occurrences. And just a word of advice to Ghanaians, intending to travel abroad. It's not just the Czech Republic. It's all over Europe. People are very skeptical about the Ebola. Once it's in West Africa, they think that everybody coming from West Africa has Ebola. So they don't even differentiate that West Africa has different countries. They've bunched everybody together as West Africans. So for me, we are coming from Ghana. Yes, we do not have the Ebola, and we pray to God that it never happens, because the implications of Ebola, we don't want to know. As we speak, the WHO has said that in the coming weeks, if care is not taken up, over 10,000 people every week, 10,000 people are going to get the Ebola. So for me, it's very important that the media helps in educating people on the virus. And so when you intend to travel, just be prepared and know that they're not going to be friendly to you. But we intend to lodge official complaints to ensure that the treatment that was meted out to the young man is not repeated in future.
All right, thank you very much.